taking into consideration what you mentioned about the growing power demand, the focus that we are putting on with regards to renewables as well, which pockets would you favor? Would it be BESS? We know about the battery energy storage system. Would it be generation, transmission, or equipment? Because each subsegment within that power segment may be undebatable in terms of growth, but you will have to see relative faster growth versus rest of the markets. So where would your bets be accordingly?
Yeah, look, I think it depends again on investors' horizon period. But again, the more immediate bottleneck to resolve is the batteries. The reason I say that is because we are expecting the non-solar hour peak power deficit to start widening from next year again as the cyclical concerns on the power demand normalizes. So again, batteries is the more immediate bottleneck. We don't have a lot of battery cell manufacturing. Within the battery as well, it's not the best system that we're talking about is the main bottleneck. I think the main bottleneck is the battery cells. That is a highly consolidated industry globally. Entry barriers are high. And that is where the self-sufficiency will be a bit of a challenge. But those companies who are able to manufacture cells locally will be at an advantage or will be able to command a better return on their investment. So that's one. The second, as I said, revival of thermal is an important theme here, and those who will be helping build, generate that power, move around the coal, produce the coal, all of that will be important in that equation. So that's again another interesting hunting ground from a medium-term perspective. And another area which I think is important is if power deficit becomes again top of mind, and we look at our solutions available, another less talked about solution is just reducing the transmission and distribution losses. India's T&D losses are still high at about 18%. The world average is below 10%. One way to contain the deficit is electrify the last mile, the distribution network. I think that there is a realization on the HVDC bottleneck, high voltage, long distance lines, because we have a lot of renewable power produced in Rajasthan and Gujarat, but the demand will need to be across the country. So we need those high distance lines. That has been already, we have seen awarding of several HVDC lines, and that will continue to be top of mind. And those areas of equities who are in that area have done well. But I think distribution electrification, the medium voltage, the low voltage, the smart metering, all of that is also very important to solve. So again, to answer your question, it's actually a hunting ground. Depending upon your horizon period, battery is more immediate, thermal is more medium term. And resolving the distribution electrification is again a medium term and important area for investors to focus on.